Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I am unboxing the iPad 13-inch iPad Pro M5. I had a perfectly good M4, so I don't know why I did this, but you know, I have to have the greatest in life. So let's get to it. This is only the 256 gig one. I don't really edit videos on iPad or anything. Very nice. I ended up getting silver because my old one is space black. Yeah, they definitely seem like the same thickness and everything. Cool. Ooh, that's a beauty. I got the silver MacBook Pro M4 Max also, so kind of match up. Plus my Magic keyboard is white and silver, so this will really match better. Turn it on. Power brick, USB cable, and some stuff. And I doubt stickers because they don't do that anymore. Oh wow, that was quick. Awesome. Seems very quick. I'm going to set this up. We will maybe run a Geekbench on it or something. I'll be right back. Okay, we have it currently setting up. As you can see, my silver and white Magic keyboard works with the M5 iPad Pro. This was actually the M4 iPad Pro version. So yeah, still works. Camera cutout, exact, everything. Even folds the same. So that's cool. Don't have to buy another one. I'm so glad that the M4 iPad Pro Magic keyboard works with the M5. That saves a lot of money. Let's see, I've got Geekbench up. And we just need to lay this down. Okay, I will do a CPU benchmark. See, I'm also going to run it on my M4. Okay, I will run them. And we will see where they come out. Wow. So the M5 got 4,145 single core and 15,140 multi-core. The M4 got 3706 single core and 13,527 multi-core. I could pick it up. There we go. Yeah, so that's crazy. Very impressive. I will probably do something with this more in the future too. think that's it for today because I just kind of wanted to do a little unboxing and try it out with the M4 iPad Pro Magic Keyboard and stuff like that. So I'd like to thank my viewers and my subscribers. And if you like this sort of thing, please click the like and subscribe button. And if you want to know when my next video is out, please hit the bell button. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.